Hello everyone, Sanjana this side and I am a forever business owner. I welcome you all in today's new product video. In today's video I am going to talk about Forever Arctic Sea. If you are new to this channel then please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Content of this video is going to be first I'll talk about ingredients of Forever Arctic Sea. After that why Forever Arctic Sea, seals and certification of this product, and then what are the health benefits of this product, how to use it, and what are the precautions to be taken while using it. I'll tell you all these things in detail. Okay, so first of all let's talk about its ingredients. Its key ingredients are omega 3, that is fish oil, omega 9, that is olive oil, and fatty acids like EPA and DHA. After that, why Forever Arctic Sea? Basically, it is a fish oil. Okay, I have told you the ingredients also, but why do you have to use this? These days, you must be seeing around yourself that the heart disease is increased a lot in your society. Many people are getting heart attacks, and you also know in earlier time, people used to alive for thousands of years, but today the maximum age is around 60 to 70 years, and some people are getting heart attacks between the age of 30 to 40, right? One main reason for this is our environment. There is so much pollution in our environment. Second thing is our food and water. We like to eat junk food more than the healthy food. In India, almost 54.5 million patients are of heart disease. Every fourth death in India by heart attack. Even many celebrities who have huge money but they died because of heart attack. They don't have good health. This is the reason. So we do not have to take care of our health when we are ill. We have to take care of our health when we are healthy also. Forever Arctic Sea is the best product for heart health. Okay. Even WHO World Health Organization itself recommends that we should take omega 3 on daily basis to keep our heart healthy. Okay. Now if I talk about creator of Forever Arctic Sea, then his name is Dr. John Dyerberg, who is also known as father and discoverer of omega 3. Once an incident happens with him that he saw one thing, that the people who are living near Arctic Sea don't have any heart disease, not even a single patient of heart disease, because they were using fish oil from there. Some special types of fishes are found around Arctic Sea, due to which by using the oil, the people get good heart health. So he decided to create a product. He uses oil of three special fishes named cod, salmon, and anchovy to make Forever Arctic Sea. So this product has fish oil. Now many persons think that this is a non-vegetarian product. So this is not a non-vegetarian product. It's totally vegetarian. Just like we drink milk of cow or buffalo on daily basis, it doesn't mean that we are non-vegetarian. Same in the same way, only fish oil is taken from the fish, then giving food to fishes, and then the fishes are put back into the water. So it's completely vegetarian product. After that, this product has also got many seals and certifications, which defines that this product is best. First seal is gluten free. This seal is given to the Forever Arctic Sea because of its quality and integrity. Okay. Second, M Halal certification, which defines that there is no intoxicating or alcoholic substance is added in it. So this product has got two seals and certifications. Okay. Now let's talk about health benefits of Forever Arctic Sea. The first benefit is that it is very good for our brain health. It protects us from whatever disease we have related to the brain and also eliminates the tumor. It increases our understanding and promotes thinking power. It also increases concentration and promotes learning power. Second benefit, it is good for our heart health, which is already I told you. Those people who have a heart and wants to live longer and healthy should definitely use this product once in their life. Next, third benefit, it is good for joint function. Fourth benefit, it is good for eyes, skin and hair. Next, it boosts our immune system also. Next, sixth benefit, it support nutrient absorption in our body. It balance our BP, means blood pressure, and balance sugar level. In our body, two types of cholesterol are found, good cholesterol and bad cholesterol. So bad cholesterol is not good for our body, and it's like thermocol. No matter how many years it remains in the ground, it doesn't exploit or finish. Same cholesterol is also not eliminates from our body, but this is the only product which eliminates that too. I attached a video of live demo below in the description. You can watch that to look how actually it works. Okay. After that, next benefit, it is very good for children's mental and physical health. It protects us from cancer and free radicals. Next, 12th benefit, it protects from all type of infection and allergies, supports healthy digestion and healthy nervous system, good for blood circulation. Sometimes what happens is that a person gets paralyzed. What happens is there is a blockage of nerves. So in that thing also you need to take care of yourself. Next and last benefit is it is good for men and women fertility. Forever Arctic Sea has all these benefits. Once you use it, you will feel that you have used something in your body which is increasing your age and keep you healthy also. Apart from that, if you have any query related to any product of Forever Living Products International like price and you want to use any product, then you can just fill the form given in the description of this video. I'll definitely provide you proper information for free. Okay. Here I have mentioned diseases in which this product is beneficial. It is visible to you all on the screen. You can take a screenshot. You can recommend that person this product. Now let's talk about how to use Forever Arctic Sea. So what you have to do is take it twice a day, once in the morning and second in the night. You have to take it between the meal. Like if you eat two chapatis in the breakfast daily, then eat one chapati, take one soft gel of Arctic Sea with little water, and then eat the another chapati. Same you have to take it between the dinner. Don't take more than two soft gels a day. Is it clear? Eat the half food, then take one soft gel and then eat the rest half one food. Okay. What are the precautions of using Forever Arctic Sea? First, do not use if seal is broken or missing. Second, if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, planning pregnancy, taking any medications, then please consult a doctor or a healthcare professional before use. Third, store tightly closed in cool and dry place. Fourth and most important, be aware of duplicate products. Don't buy from online sites. Many times it happens that we buy product from other sites because of cheaper price. But if you check the reviews, then you will see that duplicate products are available there which are not beneficial for us. So make sure you buy it from original site of this company or you can visit company office near you. If you want to know about location of offices, then watch the video link in description. So always buy original product for your health. So if you really like the information about Forever Arctic Sea, then you can share this video to your teammates, friends and family also. And you can subscribe to my channel for more product information and other information related to FLP. If you use this product before, then you can share your experience in comment section also. See you all in next video. Bye bye, take care.